Welcome. In front of me is a NOKIA 5.1 and today I will show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this device. So before we start, you will need something like a SIM eject tool, as I have one right here. They usually come with the device, or you can always use something like a paper clip and it should work just fine. So once you have that, you can pop out the tray. The bottom one is the SD card. So there we go. For some reason the bottom one doesn't really want to pop out for me. So once you take it out, let's take the SD card and go like this. So the SD card is facing you, the writing placed in a normal position, not upside down, and then you can just slide it back in. Now if I unlock the device, we should see there's the SD card logo and you can see that it's being read. So now let's take out the other tray, which is the upper one, and that's where you have the two SIM trays. So from here, just place the card on it and make sure that the cutout is on the bottom right corner and the card isn't kind of protruding anywhere. Just it should be flush. So you can also put another one in here if you wish to. So just grab another one. So as you can see, it can be two cards. And once you're ready, you can just slide it back in here, like so. And then there is one of the SIM cards. It has a pin number, so let me put it in. As you can see, both of them are working, the SIMs and also the SD card. So that is basically how you would insert a SIM and SD card into the device. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.